Hey there Famiri, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I use this gel, the Be in Control Curl Sculpting Gel by Curls, and it's part of their Ultimate Styling collection. It's a very different type of gel. If you live in an eco styler world and you're an eco styler girl, this has a learning curve. As you can see, I've almost finished the entire bottle. Now, if you want to know how I make this work for my hair to get great voluminous results, keep watching.
Okay, so the goal of this video is to give you a different way of how you can apply your gel to kind of beef up the hold or to get it to work for you. Now, if you have a gel that you're not really feeling, it's not giving you the definition that you want, before you throw it away, try it on damp hair instead of soaking wet. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I showcased this video in my protein-free wash day that you see here. And so yes, this gel is protein-free and I wasn't really happy with my results. So I'm going to be trying it on damp hair while also giving you my final review on this gel. Because I promised I would do that, right? So let's go. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair that I twisted up, and I'm gonna add a t-shirt or a microfiber towel to soak up the extra water. Today I'm using this Shea Moisture towel that you can snap in front, and I was impressed. It really did hold all of my hair, and yeah, that was nice. Okay, so I left the towel on for around 30 minutes, I think. And when I came back, the towel soaked up extra water just to make room for the gel. And if you like a gel but you want more hold, honestly, try this. This always gives me that extra hold that I'm looking for. And with this video, while also giving a review, I wanted to reiterate this tip, and I really wanted to give you this tip again because I've been doing this for years, even with my beloved Eco Styler, and it really does make a difference. So I'm going in with the gel section by section, and I noticed with this gel, it's a very different type of gel, like I said, because normally when I add gel to the dry hair or the damp hair, my hair is immediately able to soak this gel up. But here I noticed that I got better results when wetting the hair first. So even, spoiler alert, when I tried it the first time on wet hair, the curl definition is better with this type of gel. My hair kind of took to it, but it really didn't give me that much curl definition. You can see me working in the product, but the curls that I had in the beginning were the curls that I was left with. But with other gels, when I use it on dry hair, it really molds my curls into the way I want it. Here, it's just a little bit what you see is what you get. Now, this might sound negative, but look at the volume. That was the thing that I really did like about the gel. It gives volume. Now, the curl definition, when you look at it when I was done, really doesn't look that bad, right? So I took the two sections and I went over it with the gel, the entire two sections, like one by one. And when you look at it in the beginning, you're like, okay, I think this could be very nice. Now, this might have dried very nice if I hadn't sat on my hooded dryer. I need a different hooded dryer, y'all. My hooded dryer is, it flattens my hair a little bit, so it smushes the curls. But look at the result. I don't think it's a bad result. The curl definition is not a lot. And this is my hair the next morning after stretching. I was a little bit insecure about the lack of curl definition. I'm not gonna lie, but the fluffiness, the volume that I got, the shape, I really did like that. So it doesn't really have a hold like an Eco Styler, and you either love that or you hate that. I have to get used to it. But like I said, my hair was soft and I had volume. I want to know what you guys think, because I feel like with my hair, it always seems like I have to sacrifice curl definition to get the big volume that I have here and that I love. those are my final thoughts on the gel. I'm still on the fence, still seeing if I can make it work, but apparently this gel works better on wet hair. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna play some other videos for you here. Wanted to update you on this gel, and I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Stay safe. Bye.